Hi, everybody. It is April 12th on Saturday. I was at the park and this tree caught my attention. It's an apple tree down at the park. Now, look at this tree. And this is, I don't know if you've used your vision, what is it called? Pareidolia. It's where you can see images within objects. It's like looking up in the sky and you can see an image in the clouds or and stuff like that. Or look at words, and you can look at words and say in this book, and all the spaces bring up an image, kind of like thing. To where on certain things, I did a video a while back after the paragraph I wrote, and I was showing you where it kind of looked like. I thought it kind of looked like a lion, which it does in a way, but in another view, it looks like a woman with a scarf over her head. So it's interesting. But when I seen this, I thought, my goodness, it looks like there's faces in here. Because look at that over here. Doesn't that look like a face? And then this big face right here. I don't know, the tree just looks so interesting that I thought, oh, let me take a look at this. Excuse me. See, look, it even looks like it's got an eye right there and a right there. And then if you turn it this way, it looks like there's a face right here. I don't know, or right there. Yeah, you see that face right there? Yeah, because it looks like there's like a big face and then a little face. Now, I can't really quite see it, but it kind of looks like there's a face somewhere up in here. But this guy over here, look at that. It kind of looks like he's got a helmet on or something. Tell me, do you see images? Do you see what I see? That's interesting because it almost looks like, I don't know. I guess I can't really say what it almost looks like, but this guy right here, he totally looks obvious. Yeah, I just pulled over and I seen it, and I was like, wow, that looks trippy. Let me take a picture. Let me try to move it down right here.